AsseTrack FAMS is a web-based asset management system designed for the efficient management of any company's fixed assets. Each institution needs to know the value of their fixed assets, their location, custodian, the date they were checked out, expected return date, and the current status of each asset. It is also important to have a system that tracks the movement history of each asset and its depreciation as time passes by. AsseTrack FAMS helps establishing a computerized system for tracking and recording all fixed assets and generates statutory, business and control related standard and dynamic reports. It improves management of widely dispersed assets of an organization, resulting in better accounting practices, maintenance and upkeep of the assets. Fixed asset management is an accounting process for tracking fixed assets for the purposes of cost variation, monitor, financial accounting, preventive maintenance, and theft deterrence. Our asset management software for fixed asset management is targeted for schools' assets, companies' assets, NGO assets, county government assets, schools, church assets, governments and parastatals, universities and colleges, oil and gas and small organizations, small and large.